Fashion is not so much about what you wear, but how you wear it.
Usually it's all about uncovered, but today it's very covered.
एक इंडियन आउटफिट सेक्सी भी लग सकता है, ब्यूटीफुल भी लग सकता है, वल्गर भी लग सकता है, प्लेजेंट भी लग सकता है.
ब्लेंडर्स प्राइड में इस बार एक कॉकटेल कलेक्शन है और ये पूरी कलेक्शन बैरोक पे इंस्पायर्ड है और बहुत ही गॉथिक है इसका फील. ज़्यादा करके ब्लैक कलर्स है, एमरल्ड ग्रीन, मरून्स एंड एज्योर, एंड द एंटायर कलेक्शन इज़ वेरी सेंशुअस and it's got very different cuts and very form fitted.
Fashion is not so much about what you wear, but how you wear it. You know, it's about wearing your personality on your sleeve.
What I'm wearing is very different, extremely sexy and very covered, which doesn't happen. Usually it's all about uncovered, but today it's very covered.
I will be a part of Pankaj and Nidhi's fashion shows. कितनों पर मैं पहुंच पाऊँ I don't know because of my film commitments, पर मैंने वादा ज़रूर किया है, एक नहीं तो सब पे मैं ज़रूर आऊँगी और मैं कोशिश करूँगी मैं उनके शो में पार्टिसिपेट तो नहीं कर पाऊँगी पर मैं ज़रूर देखने जाऊँगी. And my association with Blenders has been one from very long and for many years, so I love being around them.
This is my second time for Blenders. The first time was 2 years ago when I was shooting for my film Dil To Bachcha Ji. So I was so nervous and I was so like, oh my god, I hope everything happens properly. But this is my second time and I'm much more confident and it's great. I'm Mandira Birk's muse and she has designed one of the most gorgeous outfits I've ever seen.
This is my first association with the Blenders and I feel proud to be a part of this fashion celebration.
सभी के डिज़ाइंस बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग हैं लेकिन there's this wow factor when an outfit like that comes out, when a woman looks amazingly sensuous. So yeah, I feel great that I was selected by Neeta and in fact मैंने उनसे कहा thank you for calling me because after wearing it I just felt amazing.
It's my first time and I'm really excited and I'm fortunate I'm getting to associate with Raghavendra Rathod. I think he's one of our most elegant and classiest designers I think and yeah, it's an absolute honor and I'm really happy.
Shantanu and Nikhil have always sort of lived up to in terms of their garments. When they have something in mind, they set out to sort of achieve it. They always manage to do so, and I know that because when they told me that this collection was about romance, I saw the garment, I put it on. It's how I felt. I felt like a princess, wanting to be in love.
I love walking for the Blenders Fashion Tour because it's all about celebrating fashion and having a good time and being creative, and it's not like a fashion week where you have critics sitting in the front row and no one's out here to judge. It's all about, being playful and partying and, enjoying music and dance and fashion and clothing and fun and glamour.
My association with Blenders Pride, I've been actually more it's with Blenders Pride, with fashion, with Asmita Marwa. It's been the first time I ever walked on a ramp, or rather the only time I ever walked on a ramp was for Asmita. And I'm very comfortable doing that over and over again, year after year for her.
एक इंडियन आउटफिट सेक्सी भी लग सकता है, ब्यूटीफुल भी लग सकता है, वल्गर भी लग सकता है, प्लेजेंट भी लग सकता है. I think Parisa gets the line between sensuality and beautiful very right in Indian clothes.
इस बार फैशन वीक में विक्रम फडणवीस और जोरा की दोस्ती दिखाई दी.
एकदम बहुत तगड़ी दोस्ती. Should we sing like Jayan Viru? ये दोस्ती.
Can you sing in another camera?